Welcome to Run Deal. Today I'm gonna review this amazing ring doorbell mount that I got for my ring, and it's a great product. Super well made, super easy to install. It's a great product because you're gonna protect your ring, so nobody gonna steal your ring, and because this is go inside the door, so you're gonna feel more safe and super easy to install. You just to install to the door and to adjust to get tire, and you can and it's great because you can adjust to the door. You can put up or down whatever you need and you want, and if you move to the next another house, you can take with you, and you don't need drill your walls or even your frame door. You need screws, so it's great. And like I said before, it's super well made. It comes with everything you need to install the screws from the back, and this too, and a little screwdriver. So like I said before, super well made, super easy to install. You're gonna feel more safe with this, and that's why I recommend it. Hope you guys like it. Bye.